Hi everyone, Alina here at Vaughan Chrysler, and today I have with me the 2023 Grand Cherokee Limited in Baltic Gray. Gloss black mirrors with blind spot and cross path detection. Inside is equipped with black leather seating as well as a panoramic moonroof. We have power door locks, windows, as well as adjustable mirrors. We also have memory seating. This vehicle's done about 49,000 kilometers. Leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control, as well as phone controls. To the center console, we do have some features up here in button form. This is auto engine start and stop, lane keep assist, traction control, parking sensors. You do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Here would be the heated seats and heated steering. We also have navigation. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth as well as CarPlay. This vehicle is also equipped with the rear view parking camera as well as the passenger side screen, in which the passenger can send directions to the main screen. Again, we have climate control features down here as well for easy access, and you can turn the screen on and off. We have our USB ports as well as HDMI and the 12-volt. You can also change the drive modes, which changes the suspension. Sand, mud, snow, auto, sport. Here's the gear shifter with gloss black accents. Also have the cup holders. Wooden trim continues around. This is equipped with the Alpine sound system. Back seat room can comfortably fit all 5 passengers. This is a 4x4 drive system. This is also a power liftgate. Amazing cargo space as well. The seats fold down, 60-40 split. Again, this is the 2023 Grand Cherokee Limited right here at Vaughan Chrysler.